Come test drive the 2020 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, panic alarm, carpeted floor mats, overhead console, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.